strawberry lemonade or classic lemonade?
Strawberry.
Are you thirsty? Try our classic lemonade or strawberry lemonade. Where? In our neighborhood park. So this weekend, my kid made a lemonade stand in a park. He made all these posters and these pamphlets. So he advertised about the lemonade stand throughout the neighborhood by pasting in all the mailboxes in and around our street. So now we try to get the ingredients. We got organic lemons and strawberries from Safeway, along with the ingredients like ice cube, paper cups, straws, everything. Today is the day. We set up the lemonade stand and we advertise wherever possible. And the kids are getting ready with the stand, decorating. They're super excited. Wow, here are the first customers. Let's see how it goes.
What do you want? Strawberry lemonade or classic lemonade?
Strawberry.
Okay, so it costs $2.5.
First lemonade kudrane.
Okay, so you want
You-
to start
you're
doing the
getting-
ice, Lexi?
You're getting strawberry,
Strawberry
right?
too.
Yeah. Do you need ice?
No, those things.
Okay.
Fill the cup with ice, guys.
Let's see. Open it.
What do you want?
Open.
Do you want
Take
ice
some
or
fruit.
not?
Wait, I don't know.
No ice. No ice.
Give the money to them.
No, no.
No, that's okay. They have to take 2 cups, fill with ice.
நாங்க சேஞ்ச் கொடுக்க மாட்டோம் 100 ரூபாய் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா உள்ள
Hi
போட
there,
வச்சு
auntie.
Okay, one strawberry.
Would you like ice?
Two strawberry, one lemonade.
With ice?
With ice. Yes.
It went well, and even we got help with advertising. A cute advertiser. Welcome to the backyard. So this flower is called Arabic jasmine, or in Tamil it's called malli. It smells so good here. This is the flower, and the bud is so beautiful. In Tamil Nadu, they used to make a garland out of these buds or the flowers, and they wear it in their hair. So this is our apple tree. All the apples are growing big. This is a hybrid tree. So one branch is Gala, another is Granny Smith. What is the pink lady? Or I don't know about the other one. So I'm eagerly waiting for the fruits to turn out ripe, ready to eat. Can anyone guess the name of this plant? It's not brinjal. It have little spikes on it. It's not a rose. You have 5 seconds to come with the answer. Yes, your time is up. Have you guessed it? Yes, you're right. It is called turkey berry in English, and Tamil it's called Sundakaai. See, it's a bitter, slightly bitter, but it's very medicinal. It's good for your tummy and gut. And it has tiny thorns all around the plant. This plant is a xerophyte and it loves sunshine. The more sunny, the more the plant yields. See the Sundakaais in bunches. For household usage, I have collected all the Sundakaais from the bottom, but there are more Sundakaais on the top which I couldn't reach. I need someone taller. I need a ladder or something to get, and it's look at that, at the top we have more. This time all the Sundakaais came up so full and so healthy, and it tastes so amazing. So today I plan to make Sundakaai thuvayal. We can mix it with rice, dosa, idli. So I'm going to make Sundakaai thuvayal today. So come with me, let's cook and enjoy. I tasted this Sundakaai thuvayal rice. It was too good. It was awesome and tasty. Please try it at home and enjoy and be healthy.